So far, we have discussed equation of a line, here we will be looking at relationship between two lines. We could have line 1, another line 2, and these two lines intersecting at a point. One intersection, and the solution here is a unique solution. Because lines meet at a point. We could have a situation where line 1 parallel to another line. Let's say we have line 3. In this case, lines do not meet. So there is no solution, no intersection at all, so no solution. Let's say I have another line 1, and this time there is another line coincident with line 1, and this is line 4. So because line 1 and line 4, or line 1 is coincident with line 4, the solutions over here is a line. So line 1 intersect line 4 at with infinite many solutions. And the solution is a line. It's not a single point. Because line 1 coincident with line 4. So if you look at 3 situations over here, there is only one case when line 1 parallel to line 3, no solution, and therefore we call this as inconsistent. The system here is inconsistent. Whereas for line 1 intersect line 2 at one point, so we have a unique solution, and the system here is consistent. The last case, because line 1 coincident with line 4, we have solution, but the solution we have not only a single point, we have infinite many solutions, and the system here is also consistent. So whether we have one intersection or parallel or coincident, lines over here are coplanar. Lines are coplanar, meaning they lie in the same plane. So when they lie in the same plane, the two lines in the same plane, they may be intersecting, they may be parallel or coincident. There is one case if the two lines are not coplanar. If the two lines are not coplanar, meaning not in the same plane, so you can imagine that we have a line in the first floor and we have another line in the second floor. They are not in the same plane, but two of them may not be parallel. So in this case, we call them skewed lines. Skewed line is quite imaginative. So let's say I have a line in one plane. Let's say another line on the other plane, and they are not parallel. So let's say this is line 2. I have line 1. They are not in the same plane. So even though they are not parallel, they are not intersecting at a point. We will have a video to deal with skewed lines, and we want to find the shortest distance between skewed lines. So I have shown you one video, how do we find the distance from a point to a line. And the next video, I'm going to discuss how do we find the shortest distance between two parallel lines. See you there.